After reading tons of productivity books, I came across so many rules like the 2-minute rule, the 5-minute rule, the 5-second rule. The problem is that these rules are meant for companies or entrepreneurs, but I was able to adapt these into my studies and work routine and drastically cut down my procrastination time. So, I'm going to share with you two different 2-minute rules in the next 2 minutes. The first 2-minute rule comes from Getting Things Done by David Allen. David says if it takes 2 minutes to do, get it done right now. For example, if I need to take out the trash today, it takes 2 minutes to do so. If I'm thinking about it now, might as well just do it now instead of writing it down on a to-do list, or probably forgetting about it, or having to come back to it later, which takes more than 2 minutes. So here's a list of things that might take 2 minutes throughout the day, like organizing your desk, or watering your plants, or clipping your nails. I just do it when I notice it, but these little things start to add up. So, this rule biases my brain towards taking action and away from procrastination. The second 2-minute rule comes from Atomic Habits by James Clear. He says when you're trying to do something you don't really want to do, simplify the task down to 2 minutes or less. So, doing your entire reading assignment becomes just reading one paragraph, or memorizing the entire periodic table becomes memorizing just 10 flashcards. Now, some of you might think, yeah, this is just a Jedi mind trick, like, why would I fall for it? How is this at all sustainable? And to that, he says, when you're starting out, limit yourself to only 2 minutes. So, whenever I want to build a new habit, like reading a new book or doing an online course, so I try this trick, but I limit myself to just 2 minutes. I'd sit down, open my laptop for working, or a book for studying, and do the task for just 2 minutes, and then close my laptop or book. Then I do something else. It seems unproductive at first, but staying consistent with this 2-minute routine day after day meant that I was becoming the type of person who works on a good habit daily. I was mastering the habit of just showing up, because a habit needs to be established before it can be expanded upon. If I can't become a person who studies for just 2 minutes a day, I'd never be able to become the person that studies for an hour a day. You gotta start somewhere. But starting small is easier. Thank you for watching the whole video. Share it with your friends if you think they can benefit from it. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Thank you.